Uh, okay, to me, cloud native means building applications that only work with a specific cloud platform in mind. So you're kind of aware of what the cloud platform you've picked does, and you're building an application that's going to really allow that platform to do as much work for you as possible. Picking a particular cloud native platform and being okay with surrendering a degree of control to the platform you're building on. Okay. I'm going to pick two, just to be awkward. The first thing is there isn't, I think everyone's got their own just definition of what cloud native is. And so it allows lots of people to say I'm cloud native. I think the second problem is the fact that there isn't a platform, and there shouldn't be either, but that adds confusion and complexity. You know, you don't get a platform from having Kubernetes. You don't have a platform from just using AWS. So working out what that platform looks like for you and where those lines are is complicated, I think. That is such a movable feast that it can mean different things to different people. You get somebody else to do more work for you. I mean, when done properly, that's what this is all about, right? The people who are creating software that you're going to, you know, put in people's hands are spending their time on that. They're not worrying about infrastructure configuration. They're not worrying as much about, you know, redundancy and failover. They're not worrying as much about backups and configuration of operating systems. They're just focused on, I'm building an application. The application, I'm going to focus on building that. The platform is going to do as much work for me as possible. They've got to be okay with abdicating that level of responsibility, but hopefully you're putting that responsibility into the hands of people that can do the job better than you can, and you spend more of your time doing the stuff that matters to you and to the people who use your software, and less of your time doing just general kind of rubbishy infrastructural tasks. And the best way to go faster is to do less stuff that isn't important.